Molweni. Hi guys. Igama nguNkosomzi Ifane Mutamana. I am commonly known as Urider, J Rider. I was an artist, so I was using J Rider PSA as my artist name. And then I am currently running a baking business called Riders Daily. So La Rider from J Rider. That's where the rider comes from. So I'm currently running Riders Daily. Riders Daily is a baking business. It's been operating for the past 4 years. I'm operating currently here at home. And then what I normally do weekdays, I am at the taxi rank at Centenary New Brighton. So I operate from there.
Singundi ngubani sibonile ba nantsi inqwelo kaBoatrider ibhaliwe igama lakhe. Icebo xa igqibobhaka lamaqebengwana wakhe esiya etaxi renki nokubuya ugoduka nantsi inqwelo mafutha kaBoatrider sithi Boatrider yiyo le nantsi inqwelo bhuti ngeyakho le for nama wena namaqebengwana wakho ibhalwe igama lakho Boatrider.
And then when I'm done there, then I come home and then I get to make your cakes and your cupcakes. Ndizalwa ke umambandla uTshayeni ukhipha umbona umbindlebe umanangana. And then and then isiduko sikatata ke ngumthembu umnandi umadiba uyemnye ongqolo umsilo uvele bampensela uzona zintshabe masoza zimenzento. I am a father to a 9-year-old. Gama lakhe Msululele Nqayeka. And then I think that's just about it about me. I also have a qualification in HR. I'm an aspiring facilitator. I'm an aspiring facilitator as well. And then also I am an MC. So if Gwenzele cake and then you're gonna get married, I can be your MC for your wedding as well. So I think that's just about it with the intro. Yeah.
Ubhuti uqale nini ubhaka? Uzazi nini if ungayenza le business?
So into yobhaka, it started 2013 when my sister came home, the muffin mix. That was 2013. So I used to be the one go up in doing Ilan baking. And then 2021, I was working as a literacy coach. I was earning 1.5 a month. And then I was like, hey man, this money is not enough. And then I had a conversation with myself, but hey man, bro, what is it that you can do with your own hands that can generate you money? And then I was like, hey, because at that time I was doing music as well. I was like, I'm not getting any money from music. So I was like, okay, I can bake. So I started baking 2022. 2022, I'm a teacher assistant. Yeah, but I was working at SAC Primary. So I started working there. I owned a Galapa 2022. Go March. Started selling muffins. I'm going to school in March. And then people started selling. And then I got a competition. Yeah, but so there was a lady that came to school with me, takes hot dogs. This way is mad, man. And then I opted for a rank. That's when the rank started. Fast forward 2024, SEDA, SETFA. Through Mamute, we want to banisa land business advisor at SETFA. And then business advisor at SETFA, you say Alfida School of Baking, Alfida Foundation. So that's where I started baking, knowing how to make cakes, cupcakes, cinnamon rolls, biscuits, all of those. Yeah, so it got a little bit.
But uthe usiya uyofunda baking wabesele ubhaka.
Yeah, busy muffins only, and I was using muffin mix only at the clash. But I was just color from scratch. But now I make them from scratch.
So business yakho from 2021 yakhula after ubuye esikolweni?
Yeah, school in 2024.
2024.
Yeah, 2024. So 2022, yeah, been bhaka wethu apha ilento benisirenkini nasesikolweni 2023. And then I think ndiye as exposed to these entrepreneurship workshops, because 2023 I was in a pitching competition. About number 3 pa yase NMU. Yeah, boy, it was a Nexus program, so I came in third place. And then yeah, the money 1K pa, and then I used that money to buy stock. Then 2024 kengoku, I met Mam Debs, awandibanisa no Lendo, no Nhlakanipho. And then under SEDFA as part of the database yabo, and then bandibanisa ke Alfida Foundation for baking.
Okay, can you take us back from upbringing yakho, ukhulele phi, ufunde phi?
Yeah, okay, ndikhulele apha endlini yabo, and then bendifunde Charles Duna. I believe I wouldn't say a lot of your personality has changed. I've always been a nice kid. I've always been chilled. growing up, I was not talkative, and then I had a low self-esteem, growing up, and then I think izoqala utshintsha izinto in varsity, so ndingene evarsity 2015, and nalapho evarsity izoqala, I would say 2017. I think i-shift yenzeka with 2017 after I became a father, and also after with the presentation that I did. But growing up, I grew up as a young child who was chilled, man, respectful. Judo. Yeah, my dad introduced me to judo 2005. I won my first medal 2006. And then I played the ball like in 2007, 2008. And then I stick to judo 2009 onwards. And then from the up elendo eCharles Duna, and then from eCharles Duna I go high school uyifunda elendo enzolelelo. So yeah, I believe I was just a calm, cool kid, engasogolisi.
So did you end up quitting music after uye waqala baking yakho?
I wouldn't say quit, ne? Because this studio is still operating. So what happened is, I don't know, man. I believe it's God's grace, ne? Because doing the lendo, this studio said so much about laptop 2024 May. Was it 2024 May? Yeah, 2024 May. And then after Smosh again studio, so we could not record. And then at that time, I was like, okay, no, it's fine. Sawudibanisa imali namajita, silungisa ipisi. Koko ke sasenza lo way. But ke ekwenzeni kwethu lo way, I just continued with the business. And then I like to believe, man, it's God's work, because after I decided to focus on the business, that's when opportunities started to open. Fellow opportunities, into ezininzi manje ezenzeka after. And I feel like I would say, Hlambi, I didn't get any distractions. But the only thing I was focusing on was just baking. And then the piece is last year, 2025, around August, September. I do go to a studio from time to time, but I haven't recorded. So I don't want to say I have quit, but can I recently, but I can record.
You're a songwriter as well.
I write all my songs.
Wow, man of many talents.
Many talents.
Yeah, I see. So abantu bakufumana njani?
Okay, so social media, go Facebook, go Somzi, Gerard PSA Tamana. And then I do have a page there. It's Riders Daily. It's linked with Instagram. So on Instagram, it's RYDERS, which is Riders_Daily. And then go TikTok, Riders_Daily. And then LinkedIn, Lungo Somzi. But again, I'm saying that batch, but Lungo Somzi Tamana. And then nase Rengeni for people who want to order, base Rengeni. And then Nihlale Nobathan. And so it has a address, I'm sorry, but Nihlale Nobathan. But if you want to find me, uzanifumana elendo Centenary. Rengeni. Yeah. I'm not sure nobody pay enough.
I think people will be able to find you.
Sure.
Yeah, it's visible. And then are you thinking of expand a business?
Yes, for sure.
No.
Yes, I am thinking of expanding a business. Ne? So number one, there are these it's not masterclass that I normally do. So it's masterclass that I do. I call them pipe and sprinkle. Sorry, I've had 2 events. So with events, what I normally do is I teach people how to decorate the cupcakes.
Okay.
So I've hosted in 2 places. So Iqala Warmer last year, and then it's been New Pride. So what happens? People come there. Look gets 3 cupcakes, and then I provide them with all the decoration tools. Piping bags, piping tips, buttercream, yongela way, and then I get to show them how to actually decorate. I show them the skill. So that's what I do now. If you expand, I go into cake decorating. Because I've done 2 cupcakes, so now I want to do a cake whereby I get to teach people how to decorate the cakes.
So bakufumana njani abantu ubafundisayo okanye uye
I post it online.
Okay.
I post it online. And then esibini I want to have my own land, my own place. Bengenazo ne-colors musiqala. Now I have colors. Colors sage green, dusty pink, no cream. So I have that in mind. So with with the plan that I have for a business, so now I've recently discovered the colors for Riders Daily, so which is it's sage green, it's dusty pink, it's cream. So that's what I would like my shop to be like. Yabo. I would like to use as colors so that they can blend the colors the shop, yeah. And then so now I do mostly cupcake decorating masterclass. So what normally happens there, I get to teach people how to decorate the cupcakes, and then I prefer to doing them like in different places. Yeah, so I've been to a warmer, a little warmer golf club, and then it's been in the Enzele up in Norris Deco. And then I'm thinking of doing the third one, a warmer. There's a place that I would like to check out there. So I want to, well, just to go to these different places, yeah, but just to get people to experience this way. And then now I want to do Ilendo cake decorating event. And then another thing that I want to do to expand the business, I also want to do to teach people how to bake. Yeah, but the only thing that I'm working now towards on is to find a venue. Yabo, so I would like to find a venue whereby I can get to teach people, and I would like to have, even if it's just maybe 10 people. Yabo, I don't mind even if it's just a lot of people. No, not a lot of people. I teach them how to bake pana, and then yeah, it's to have my own shop, ne? And then baking school, and then a cupcake decorating masterclass. So basically, those are the three things that I'm focusing on in expanding a business.
Okay, benza njani abantu for i-masterclasses?
So in masterclass, what I normally do, I create a poster and then I post them online. Yabo, and then a poster normally it carries everything. Yabo, what is it that okay, back on an what is this? It dress code. Yabo,
Oh,
yeah, last
okay.
one being floral. So now I would want to do one. I was thinking of July. If not July, then it will probably be August. Yabo, I want to do a winter version. Yabo, and then so I'm planning towards that. Lendi for me and warm. Yabo.
Okay.
Yeah. And then yeah. I think that's that.
You mentioned ukuba ngu-MC, public speaking. Uqale nini ukuyazi ubana you are able ukuthetha phambi kwabantu abaninzi?
I feel like it's something okay. If we are Kumbola, I spoke about 2017.
Yes.
So okay, I'm gonna make it short. Evercity, we were given a task that I did the HR Evercity. So it's divided into three. I like training and management. So we were given a task part now to do a research, to come and present about something that you love. And then, so we had a conversation with our lecturer. I wanted to do about marketing and don't want to know, do something that you've been doing for years, which is me, Chudo, at the time. So on the presenter Pange Chudo, it was the very first time I presented and I was comfortable. That's feel. So confidence at Galapa. Became a father. I met Gyongoko Chairman, I met Harvey. That's when Gyongoko Indo yo hamba like going to places, talking to people. Let's skills up manisibo, slowly pa. And then 2023, after the pitching competition as an NMU, that's when I was like, hey man, I actually love this thing. Yeah, but how about I continue theater, and then the database as an NMU, yeah, but as part of their entrepreneurs. So I got to practice or how to be an MC. Yeah, but there would be events, man, and then I get to MC there. So now I practice a partner on how to be an MC, and then I was like, okay, I'm actually good at this thing, and yeah, done. And then okay, I actually love this thing and I want to do it for the rest of my life is when I got a call 2024, I think around August, from a guy. Hey man, see, we saw your things on Facebook and we would like to come. I mean, we'd like for you to come and host our event up a month. And I'm like, yeah, well, but no, it's fine. We're gonna sort out into accommodation, we're gonna sort out into transport. And I undercharged them. Yeah, so nacala 50% before and then only 50% after the event. So abe undercharging kwam. So naya ke Monday, I did my thing. On my way back, one patala mola mzit. Yeah, so that's when I was like, okay, I can actually do this thing. And then I've had countless of workshops, yeah, gigs. So that's when I was like, okay, I can actually do this thing. So yeah, it's something that I love and I want to do for the rest of my life, to be a facilitator and also being an MC. Yeah, and then I want to host a wedding MC now. Come on, there's music cakes, the cake, and then pin and MC. So I'm looking towards in the little trouble. Yeah,
So in a month, how many cakes do you bake, roughly? cakes, not cupcakes. Cupcakes, it's everyday thing, isn't it? Because you go
Yeah.
to a ranking almost every day.
Cakes over 15 a month.
Wow.
Yeah, over 15, over 15, over 15. Yeah,
You
starting
said,
from March. Yeah, over 15 a month.
oh,
I always make more than 15 cakes a month. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, with different flavors, different designs, different sizes as well. Because Baki Bento, they are almost the normal ones. 2 tier, sorry.
Bento cakes is yaxabanisa. How do you deal with customers when it comes to bento cakes?
And I heard nenye customer ngoku besine sibhidene, not that sixabene, but siyabhidana based on ilendo
Size.
size.
Yeah.
Size. Yabo. So I think what I normally do, yabo, i-customer musiyathumela musi-design, and then we get to ncokola bafuni kulolu hlobo, and then I also send a price list because I have 2 pens as a bento. So there's that small one, the one that you can touch. Ubona sane sakho i-photo shoot intoni. Then ibe khona nogwane engathi it's slightly a bit bigger naleya, so that at least you can get to share with your family and friends. So ndiye ndibathumelele i-pictures ne-price list, and then ndithi ngeyiphi uyifunayo because
Okay.
i-price ebhento ile. If uzandibhatalela i-price umzekelo jo smallest bento yi-300. So if uzanika i-300, then I would know about, okay, it's for the smallest one because leyana yona iqala from 350 to 400. Yeah, but so I get to have a conversation with the customer kuqala, and then
Okay.
inspire to make sure that there is no confusion. So yeah, nenza lo way, but yeah, I've had quite a countless of
Misunderstandings when it comes to
because abanye abantu
size.
abayi-understand kwale bento qha umuntu ufuna nje. Yeah, understand. So yeah, I make sure that I talk to a customer so that they be aware. Yeah.
As undingubani TV bhuti sizama ukuphuhlisa isiXhosa nokukwazi kwethu ubuthina, sicela usivalele ngeqhalo nentsingiselo yalo.
Okay, iqhalo that I normally use inyathi ibuzwa kwabaphambili. I have an example anyway. Like I said most interview, but I've done ilendo. Okay, I'm a fan of pitching competitions. I understand as a way. So now there was any pitching competition that I entered. So Kogomos does enter Riches pitching competition starting from 2023. I've never been number 1.
Okay.
Yeah, like top 5, okay, number 3 or whatnot. So now I met Upudlungisa. He's in Motherwell. He has a business here, oil. And then I daya kuye ndancokola naye. Yabo, yena he's been pitching competitions. Yabo, he has won some. So ndiyena yapha kuye, I had a conversation naye ndamxeleba, man, I'm gonna go to a pitching competition ngemini ethile, I need the advice. So he was able to guide me and showed me touching points okanye izinto that I can actually use. To cut the long story short, after the conversation I had with him, I went to the pitching competition and then I actually won. So ndayaba number 1.
Nice.
So ndayibona pha okay jonga, you don't have to necessarily know everything I mean, yabo, but if uzokwazi ufumana umuntu that uyihambileyo le journey ufuna uyihamba, go there, ask for ulwazi, and then hopefully they will be able to share so that whatever information uyifumene pha kubo uzokwazi uyi-apply pha kubo so that you can become a better person. Yeah, but that's how I can interpret it ke okanye ngicacise ngayo, yabo, because ndayibona ela hlobo mna, and I was like uncedile nyani ubhuti man, yabo, ngale advice awanika yona. So yeah, that's how I can wrap it up. Yabo.